I finally got monetized. I know there's already been like a million of these videos made, but I wanted to do one specifically for the automotive genre. Street Speed 717 has done several of these videos and I really enjoy those. So I want to make one of my own. So we need to go to my office. This is my office. It's actually just my closet. So I wanted to make a video on about how much a brand new automotive YouTube channel makes in their first month. You see I have about 4,500 subscribers. Now I do make automotive content. I'm in the automotive genre, but what I mostly make videos on is how to open and modify car lights. But the plan is to actually start making content about my car once I can get enough money to actually modify it. I've been posting on YouTube for consistently for probably about 2 years, pretty much exclusively automotive lighting content, and it took me about 2 full years to actually get monetized. I got monetized in June, and once I hit apply, it took about 3 to 4 days to finally get approved, and then another few days for it to actually start generating money. And the first day that I started making money was actually June 30th, but I'm only going to show the first full month, which was July, because for the entire month of June, all I made was $1.05. So we're gonna go to July so that we can see how much I made for 1 full month. So if we go over here to the analytics, we can just get right into it. You can see right here, it says for the past 28 days, I've made $41. Let's click on June. Let's click on July. So for the last 28 days, I made $41, but if we click on July, that was my first full month. It says that I made $45 in my first month. So not great. So on the revenue page, we can actually look at the CPM and the RPM. I'll put definitions of the CPM and RPM. There's been tons and tons of videos on what those are. I can go ahead and link one of my favorite ones down below. But my CPM is about $6.38. From what I understand, that's like extremely average, which is fine. And RPM is $3.35, which is also pretty average. It hasn't fluctuated much, which is interesting. Same with the revenue. Most graphs that I've seen, they typically go up every time there's a video, but this has stayed really, really consistent all month. This is my most popular video. It is just steadily making views and steadily making money over time. So this is what most of that money is coming from, and the rest of it is coming from the other videos. I do post to YouTube Shorts, and I've seen some people that have been able to make money from that, but all the YouTube Shorts I have made haven't really been able to make any. This has been our most popular Shorts video, and it has made 73 cents. So not great. There's this video here that recently started getting a lot of views, and you can see just how much money that has paid, which I don't even think that's real. I think that's just a glitch or something, because it doesn't show that on the actual revenue tab. So far, all of my content has been evergreen content, like tutorial type stuff. So I think for me to actually grow my revenue over time on YouTube, I need to make different type of content within the automotive genre, so that I can branch out to more people. That is something I do want to do. I specifically want to build this thing back up to its former glory. It used to look a lot better than the hail dented and rusted spot that it's in now. But that takes a lot of money. So the content I'm probably going to continue posting for a while is all of the automotive lights that I built at NTX Glow. I do also have affiliate links in most of my videos going to Amazon, and on there I've made about $40 in 1 month. That's the most I've ever made in a month. So it is actually growing at the same rate, which is really cool. Of course, the main way that I support myself is through custom lights, which is everything that I post about already on the channel. I don't know if you found this interesting. I love these videos and I find it super interesting. If you do find it interesting and you are monetized, I'd be really curious to know how much you made in your first month. And if you're not monetized, I hope this was helpful in any way.